Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to add custom payments in Wix Store. So for this, first of all, go to Wix dashboard and now go to your site dashboard. Now over the left side, we have getting paid option. From there, go to connect and setup. As you click on connect and setup, you will be directed to this interface. Okay, you can go with sell in person, sell on your website, or request payments. So for now, I will click on other payment methods. Here it will take few seconds and then scroll down and we have the options of accepting credit and debit card, PayPal, and also we have manual payments. So open the manual payments. Okay, so now we have four options of payment: cash on delivery, offline payment, cash payment, and manual payment. So you can click on manual payment or you can go with cash on delivery and click on save. Now add some description here and then add payment method, that is manual. So just simply add the fee here and you will find the option of save here as my manual payment method is not connected yet. So click on save and you are good to go. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.